In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key. On-demand mobile apps like Rinse are revolutionizing the way we handle everyday tasks, including laundry. These apps are designed to make life easier by offering a complete laundry and dry cleaning service chain, from pickup to delivery, all at the touch of a button. Mobile apps for on-demand laundry services allow users to wash their clothes with just a click. You can select the number of clothes you have, and the app will coordinate with nearby laundry shops to pick them up. If no shops are available, a delivery partner steps in. These apps provide a seamless experience, letting you choose your detergent and type of washer, and saving you the hassle of washing dirty laundry yourself. The demand for on-demand services is skyrocketing as people increasingly rely on technology. Much like food delivery apps, laundry services are gaining popularity, especially in urban areas. These apps automate mundane tasks like laundry, allowing users to schedule pickups and deliveries effortlessly. Statistics show that the U.S. dry cleaning and laundry services market will exceed $96 billion by 2024, growing at a rate of 3.14% annually from 2024 to 2029. Rinse is a standout player in the on-demand laundry market. Users can send their clothes for washing via the Rinse mobile app by simply scheduling a pickup. Each customer gets a route and free delivery. The app also offers an emergency rush delivery service, which cleans clothes within 24 hours for an extra $5. Rinse ensures that users separate dry cleaning items from regular laundry and provides options for towels, sheets, and other clothing. Rinse's user-friendliness is a major advantage. Users only need to schedule a pickup and pack their clothes. The app handles the rest. Rinse even takes care of lost items like keys or wallets. The service's quick turnaround time, around 24 hours, has also contributed to its popularity. Unlike traditional laundry shops, Rinse offers a reliable home delivery service, making it a convenient alternative. Currently, Rinse operates in 6 U.S. cities, including Los Angeles, Chicago, and San Francisco, with plans for expansion. Curious about how these apps work? Here's a quick rundown. First, the customer places an order and selects a pickup time. The delivery partner then collects the dirty laundry. The service partner washes, dries, or irons the clothes based on the user's preferences. Finally, the delivery partner returns the clean clothes to the customer. If the customer isn't home, they can provide a safe place for delivery. Mobile laundry apps offer numerous benefits for both customers and businesses. Customers enjoy features like free pickup and delivery, service guarantees, and emergency laundry services. For businesses, these apps provide a way to reach a larger customer base and streamline operations. Laundry shops can expand their reach and manage logistical issues more efficiently. Aggregators can compete with established companies like Rinse by offering a centralized platform for various laundry services. On-demand mobile apps like Rinse are transforming the laundry industry by offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency. As the market continues to grow, these apps will become an essential part of urban living, making everyday tasks like laundry easier and more manageable. Embrace the future of laundry with on-demand mobile apps.